Two people taken to the hospital after state police say a driver tried to cross from southbound to northbound lanes on I-93 and caused a crash. Happened this morning just south of exit 23 in New Hampton. Police say the driver making the illegal crossover was then hit by another vehicle. The person who tried to cross was given a summons. That highway was closed for a while, but it has since now reopened.
Some people need to make exits at any cost, even if it's dangerous. Cutting in front of a car, bad. Going over multiple lanes. At least they did put on their turn signal. Still should have planned a little better. My goodness. Now watch him make this exit. Just cutting in front of another car crossing line. Really bad. I guess when you need to make the exit dangerously, you do it anyway. Wow. Never seen anyone do that before in my life.